the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, a realm of both beauty and mystery. Welcome to the enigmatic world of the Bermuda Triangle, where myth meets science. Today we'll explore the facts, the fiction, and the most intriguing disappearances attributed to this mysterious area. For centuries, whispers have circulated of ships vanishing without a trace, compasses spinning wildly, and aircraft disappearing into thin air. But how much of this is rooted in reality, and how much is the product of our boundless human imagination? Let's embark on a journey to separate fact from fiction. Our journey begins with defining the very region that's captivated imaginations for decades. The Bermuda Triangle, often depicted as a clearly defined triangular zone, is actually a loosely defined area in the North Atlantic Ocean. While its exact boundaries are debated, it's generally agreed to encompass a region roughly between Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda itself. This area, with its crystal-clear waters and often calm seas, belies the sinister reputation it has garnered. It's important to note that the Bermuda Triangle is a heavily trafficked shipping route, with countless vessels from small sailboats to massive cargo ships traversing its waters every year. Similarly, the airspace above is crisscrossed by commercial airliners, private planes, and military aircraft. Given this constant flow of traffic, it's statistically inevitable that a certain number of incidents would occur within this region. But are these incidents disproportionately high compared to other areas with similar traffic density? That's a question we'll delve into as we separate the myth from the reality. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle thrives on the unknown, on the tales of sudden disappearances and inexplicable events. But before we jump into the deep end of speculation, we need to establish a firm understanding of the region itself, its geography, its weather patterns, and its history of maritime and aviation activity. Only then can we begin to assess the validity of the claims made about this enigmatic patch of ocean. So, buckle up, fellow explorers, as we navigate the treacherous waters of the Bermuda Triangle, armed with the tools of logic, science, and a healthy dose of skepticism. Our goal is not to debunk or confirm every legend, but to understand how these stories took root, and to separate the fantastical from the potentially plausible. After all, the universe is full of mysteries, and the pursuit of understanding them is what drives us forward. Like many enduring mysteries, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle didn't emerge overnight. It evolved gradually, fueled by anecdotal accounts, sensationalized reporting, and a dash of human fascination with the unknown. The earliest documented mention of unusual occurrences in the region dates back to the days of Christopher Columbus. In his log, he noted compass irregularities and described seeing a great flame of fire crashing into the sea. Fast forward to the early 20th century, and we find reports of ships vanishing without a trace, like the USS Cyclops, a massive collier that disappeared in 1918 with over 300 souls on board. These incidents, while tragic, were often attributed to storms, piracy, or other plausible explanations at the time. However, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle, as we know it today, began to take shape in the mid-20th century. In 1950, an article in the Miami Herald by Edward Van Winkle Jones highlighted several maritime disappearances in the region, sparking public curiosity. The term Bermuda Triangle itself wasn't coined until 1964, appearing in an article by Vincent Gaddis in Argosy magazine. Gaddis's article, titled "The Deadly Bermuda Triangle," sensationalized the disappearances, attributing them to supernatural forces and unexplained phenomena. From there, the legend snowballed. Books like Charles Berlitz's The Bermuda Triangle, 1974, became bestsellers, captivating the public imagination with tales of lost ships, vanishing planes, and bizarre electromagnetic anomalies. The Bermuda Triangle became synonymous with the unexplained, a place where the laws of nature seem to bend or break entirely. The Bermuda Triangle's notoriety rests largely on a handful of high-profile disappearances, each more baffling than the last. These cases, often shrouded in conflicting accounts and a lack of conclusive evidence, have fueled countless theories and captivated imaginations for decades. One of the most enduring mysteries is the disappearance of Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 Navy Avenger torpedo bombers vanished during a routine training mission over the Atlantic. The flight, led by experienced instructor Lieutenant Charles Taylor, seemed to become disoriented shortly after takeoff. Radio transmissions revealed growing confusion, with Taylor reporting conflicting compass readings and the infamous phrase, "Everything looks strange, even the ocean." Despite a massive search and rescue effort, no trace of the planes or their crew was ever found. Another chilling case is the disappearance of the USS Cyclops, a Navy collier carrying over 300 sailors and a full load of manganese ore. The ship vanished without a trace in March 1918 while sailing from Barbados to Baltimore. No distress signals were received, and despite an extensive search, no wreckage was ever found. The disappearance of the Cyclops remains the single largest loss of life in the history of the US Navy, not directly related to combat. Adding to the mystery, the Cyclops' 2 sister ships, the Proteus and the Nereus, also vanished in the same region years later, both lost under equally mysterious circumstances. These incidents, along with numerous others involving smaller vessels and aircraft, have cemented the Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a place of inexplicable disappearances. While some cling to supernatural explanations, attributing the vanishings to everything from alien abductions to underwater city-states, others seek more rational, evidence-based answers. In the chapters that follow, we'll delve into the scientific explanations for the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, exploring natural phenomena and human error as potential factors in these tragic events. While the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries have fueled countless supernatural theories, science offers a more grounded perspective. Researchers have identified several natural phenomena within the region that could explain some of the strange occurrences and disappearances attributed to the triangle. One such phenomenon is the presence of methane hydrates. These ice-like deposits found on the seabed can release massive bubbles of methane gas that rise to the surface. If a ship were to encounter a large enough methane bubble, it could lose buoyancy and sink rapidly, leaving little or no trace. These eruptions could also explain reports of sudden rogue waves capable of capsizing even large vessels. Another natural factor is the region's unique magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field isn't uniform, and the Bermuda Triangle is known to be an area of magnetic variation. This means compasses might behave erratically, leading to navigational errors, especially in the days before sophisticated navigational systems. While this wouldn't explain sudden disappearances, it could contribute to a vessel veering off course and encountering unforeseen dangers. The Gulf Stream, a powerful current of warm water that flows through the Bermuda Triangle, is another factor to consider. This current can reach speeds of up to 5.6 miles per hour, making it difficult for even experienced sailors to navigate. The Gulf Stream can also create sudden violent storms known as white squalls, which can catch mariners off guard and pose significant dangers to vessels of all sizes. Furthermore, the region is prone to hurricanes, particularly during hurricane season, which typically runs from June to November. These powerful storms can generate massive waves, torrential rain, and strong winds, capable of causing widespread destruction and sinking ships. While hurricanes are closely monitored today, historical accounts suggest many vessels were lost to these storms before adequate warning systems were in place. In today's world of advanced technology and sophisticated navigation systems, many of the mysteries once attributed to the Bermuda Triangle seem less enigmatic. Modern ships and aircraft are equipped with an array of instruments that provide precise location data, weather information, and communication capabilities, significantly reducing the risk of getting lost or succumbing to unexpected dangers. GPS technology, for example, allows ships and planes to pinpoint their location with remarkable accuracy, regardless of weather conditions or compass variations. This technology has rendered obsolete the navigational challenges posed by the Bermuda Triangle's unique magnetic field. Similarly, advanced radar systems and satellite imagery provide real-time weather updates, alerting mariners and pilots to approaching storms, rogue waves, or other hazardous conditions. This allows them to alter course or take necessary precautions, minimizing the risk of encountering unexpected dangers. Communication systems have also improved dramatically. Ships and aircraft can now easily contact coastal authorities or other vessels in case of emergencies, ensuring a swift response and increasing the chances of rescue. Furthermore, the widespread use of emergency beacons such as EPIRBs, emergency position indicating radio beacons, and ELTs, emergency locator transmitters, allows rescue teams to quickly locate vessels or aircraft in distress, even if they've lost communication capabilities. The combination of these technological advancements has significantly improved safety and reduced the number of unexplained incidents in the Bermuda Triangle. While the region still experiences its share of maritime and aviation accidents, these are largely attributed to human error, mechanical failures, or unpredictable weather patterns, rather than supernatural forces or unexplained phenomena. As we've explored, the Bermuda Triangle, while geographically real, is shrouded in a mythology that often overshadows the scientific explanations for its alleged mysteries. While natural phenomena, human error, and the limitations of past technology can account for many of the incidents attributed to the triangle, its allure persists. Perhaps it's the human fascination with the unknown, the desire to believe in something beyond our understanding that keeps the legend alive. The Bermuda Triangle, with its tales of vanished ships and planes, taps into our primal fear of the vast, unforgiving ocean and the mysteries that lie beneath its surface. It represents a place where the rules of our world seem to bend or break, a place where logic and reason give way to speculation and imagination. The enduring popularity of the Bermuda Triangle myth also speaks to the power of storytelling. From ancient mariners' tales of sea monsters and sirens to modern-day accounts of UFO sightings and time warps, stories of the unexplained have captivated audiences for centuries. The Bermuda Triangle, with its blend of historical mystery, scientific intrigue, and a dash of the paranormal, provides fertile ground for these narratives to flourish. While science continues to chip away at the myth, providing plausible explanations for the triangle's alleged mysteries, the legend endures. It serves as a reminder of the vastness of our universe and the limits of our understanding. The Bermuda Triangle, regardless of whether it's a truly mysterious place or simply a product of our collective imagination, continues to spark curiosity, fuel debate, and remind us that there's still much we don't know about the world around us. And perhaps that's the most intriguing aspect of it all. Thank you for joining me on this scientific journey through one of the world's most mystifying places. From the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Remember, the Bermuda Triangle, while often shrouded in myth and speculation, reminds us of the power of natural forces, the importance of critical thinking, and the enduring human fascination with the unknown. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop seeking answers to the universe's most perplexing puzzles.